Hi everyone, this is Niloy. Welcome back to our Dart programming tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will discuss about nested loop. So basically, this is the syntax for nested loop. We can see that in a for loop, there are another for loop, and inside that for loop, there are one more for loop. So basically, inside a for loop, if we put another for loop or any other loop, then it is called a nested loop. So now let's start programming. So now we can see that we have take here a for loop, and inside this for loop we have take another for loop here. So now let's execute the program. Here we can see the value of I and j here. When the program execute this for loop, it started from the count 1 here. So when we found the value of I1 here, according to this condition, value of a is 3 and I is less than equal to 3. That's why it will execute starting the for loop inside the parent for loop here. And we can see that we have initialized the value of j with 1, and we will check the condition here, is j less than or equal to b here or not. So we found here that the value of j is 1 and value of b is 3, so j is less than 3, and then it will execute this line. That's how it will execute. When the value of I is 1, it will execute 3 times and it will print the value of I and j here. Here the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 1 to 3. Again it will execute the second loop and it will print here the value of I is 2 and value of j is 1 to 3, and that's how it will continue executing until it will break the loop here. That's how the for loop that's how the nested loop works here. For practice mode, you can try nested loop with while, do while, and other loops like for each loop, foreign loop, etc. Do not follow only this video series but also follow other resources, especially official document and other popular tutorial based websites. Read recommended books to learn in a best way. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.